interesting ways to shoot great footage for any motorcycle or moving vehicle is make sure you have the right gadgetry, right attachments. And for example, in this bike particularly, you want to have a view as if you are riding the motorcycle. That's experience I want you guys to have. So with Johnneman, you'll feel as if you're riding Johnneman or riding behind or having that feel. So I have a proper setup here. So I can go for this shot, which is front footage. So you're exactly seeing what I'm seeing. So you're seeing what really I'm seeing in front. Other way of doing it is you just move it upwards. So now counterweight of the camera, you can just go that way. So certainly you have a visual of all the pedometers and the rev zone and everything. So you'll know how fast I'm going and what I'm going. So and then you can just do proper cuts. The feeling is you're on the bike with the right sound coming through, and you get the same experience. So one of the cameras is set here. My other iPhone's right here. Now I have still one more camera. I'm still deciding where to put this because this is slightly different bike, different variation. Maybe I put in the front fork to give you experience of the road and the feel, or maybe something on the top. You can also, a lot of people use also on the helmet, but helmet cam is different. It doesn't give you the same feel. You want to feel as your eyes are looking at it. Helmet goes a bit higher, so people think it's the right feel, but that's not possibly the right feel in my opinion. This is one of the great visuals you get, as if you are riding the bike, and that's the experience I want you guys to have. That's my little Tinkerbell. It moves in the breeze, moves the speed of the vehicle, and it's also good luck. So I'm trying to figure out where to hang this. Pretty safe and secure, and I just keep ringing while I'm doing my slow rides, and a bit of distraction, but makes me smile. All right, that's my good luck.
if you like watching Riding with Cash, hit subscribe and join me on the next ride.